ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಗಳ ಸಮರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉನ್ನತ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಳ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅನ್ವೇಷಿಸಿ. ಈ ಕಂತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ ದತ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಭಾರತದ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟ ಎಂಬ ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ನೌಕರರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಗುಪ್ತ ವರದಿಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ವರದಿಗಳ ಸಂವಹನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನು ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಾಂಶಗಳು, ಎರಡು ಪಕ್ಷಗಳ ವಾದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಸೇವಾ ಪ್ರಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರದರ್ಶಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯತೆಗೆ ಮಾನದಂಡವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ ಅಂತಿಮ ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿ. ನೀವು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ವೃತ್ತಿಪರರಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೇವಲ ಕುತೂಹಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನವರಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಹ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಗಳ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಳು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ವೃತ್ತಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರುತ್ತವೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥೈಸುವಂತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚರ್ಚೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕುತೂಹಲಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾನೂನು ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅನ್ವೇಷಿಸೋಣ.
Supreme Court of India Dev Dutt vs. Union of India and others on 12 May 2008. This voice record is strictly for legal awareness and education purpose only. Information source: https://indianqanun.org/. Here's a detailed summary of the Supreme Court of India's judgment in Dev Dutt vs. Union of India and others on 12 May 2008. Background: Dev Dutt appealed against the Guwahati High Court's decision which upheld his non-promotion to the post of superintending engineer. Dutt was eligible for consideration for promotion after completing 5 years as an executive engineer, which he did on 21 February 1993. Issue: the main issue was the non-communication of a good entry in Dutt's annual confidential report, ACR, for the year 1993 to 94, which was a crucial factor in denying his promotion while his juniors were promoted. Departmental Promotion Committee, DPC, decision: the DPC met on 16 December 1994, and Dutt was deemed ineligible for promotion because he did not have a very good rating for the last 5 years, specifically due to his good entry for 1993 to 94. Contention: Dutt argued that the non-communication of his good entry was unfair as it deprived him of the opportunity to contest or seek an upgrade of the entry, which affected his eligibility for promotion. Respondents' argument: the respondents contended that only adverse entries need to be communicated, citing that a good entry does not qualify as adverse and thus did not require communication. Supreme Court's analysis and decision. Communication of ACR entries: the court held that every entry in an ACR, not just adverse entries, should be communicated to the concerned employee. This is crucial for ensuring fairness and transparency in public administration. Effect of good entry: the court noted that while good is generally a positive rating, in contexts where very good is the benchmark for promotion, a good entry acts as a relative adverse entry. Thus, it should have been communicated. Natural justice: the court emphasized that natural justice demands fairness in action, which includes the right of an employee to be informed about their performance assessments and to challenge or seek redress regarding them. Legal precedents: the decision referenced several precedents which established that non-arbitrary, fair, and transparent actions are mandated under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. Outcome: the Supreme Court set aside the High Court's judgment, directed that the good entry for 1993 to 94 be communicated to Dutt, and allowed him the opportunity to make a representation for its upgrade. If his representation leads to an upgrade, he must be considered for retrospective promotion, which would affect his pension and other retirement benefits. Broader implications: this judgment underscores the importance of communication of all performance entries to employees and reinforces the principles of fairness and non-arbitrariness in public employment practices. Explore the fascinating world of legal battles and Supreme Court decisions with our latest YouTube video. In this episode, we dive deep into the landmark case of Dev Dutt vs. Union of India, where the Supreme Court of India delivered a pivotal judgment regarding the communication of annual confidential reports, ACRs, to employees. Understand the nuances of the case, the arguments from both sides, and the ultimate verdict that set a precedent for transparency and fairness in public service promotions. Whether you're a law student, a practicing professional, or just a curious mind, this video is crafted to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how judicial decisions can impact employment laws and personal careers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful legal analysis and discussions. Join us to unravel more intriguing legal stories.